Hello everyone, my name is Lee and today I'm going to talk about the company startup that we made for our business, which is called BEEHIVE, and it is a service apartment. To introduce, this is our team. There are 5 people in our team. This is me, which is HR manager, and Mr. Hill, he will going to be the marketing manager. Ms. Hao, she's going to be the online sales manager, and Lung, he was going to be the housekeeping manager, and Han, she will be the offline manager. To briefly introduce our company, it is a service apartment. And when you travel with us, not only can you make a difference by giving back to the community, and you can also stay in a very sensitive and environmentally quality accommodation. These studios are what we call eco-friendly, and eco-friendly means that you're going to be minimize any environmental impact while retaining your comfort of staying. And BEEHIVE is a very good symbol to portray that, because it is related to nature, and it is also a house that people can be living comfortably. This is our mission and vision. Our mission is to provide an affordable quality accommodation to ensure cost-effective and rational use of public resources in service delivery, and to maintain a complicated and dedicated and performance-oriented team. We can also minimize our carbon footprint, but still able to keep the high quality for you to live in. Our vision is that we will continue our mission of maintaining the quality of BEEHIVE so as to generate reasonable returns for our customers. At the same time, in the future, we will enable renovations and give back to the community with more approaches to protect the environment. This is our core value. We really appreciate the integrity, customer service, quality, and communication, personal improvement, and performance. With integrity, we will accomplishment through honesty, trust, and mutual respect. With customer service, we will be responsive to management and maintenance. And with quality, we will pay attention to detail that set us apart. And communication will be open and more effective in exchanging information and ideas. And personal improvement, we will continue our training and self-development. Performance, we will expand our potential through intelligent growth. For the next part, my partner in the group will be introducing about SWOT analysis.
Hello everyone, I'm Hiếu, and my presentation is about our product. Our brand new recently designed apartment make the perfect chill out the place after the hot day exploring the ever private Ho Chi Minh City. Our product have 500 meters away from the Bangtan market, and 3 meters from Bùi Viện backpack area, and fully kitchen, and share low price separate quarter in us apartment. Robotic structure of our product include loft. It have 5 units and 1 bedroom studio, and us and 3 units and 2 bedroom. We have 3 units. Next is smart analysis. We use smart analysis to identify our objective. First is after 1 year of operation, the profit will be nearly equal to the total initial investment. Especially, it will earn $57,000 to be able to deploy more similar projects measurable from May 2015 to May 2020. The total revenue that the project want to receive is $57,000. Is achievable. The number of reservations has been 7% of the total number of the day of the month. It means 21 days of month. Moreover, this is the time of the year end and New Year tourist season, so the number of tourists can increase very fast, can be up to 90% or even 100%. Is relevant. Achieve the goal to run more similar projects, and finally the time to reach the goal is 1 year when the project is officially operational, from May 2050. That is about the thing we have to buy to start and finance. The step 1 is when the license. We have the cost. The cost for the when the license is $500. Step 2 is thing to buy to start, and the cost for decoration is about $1,500. And step 3 is search for the business by our location is number 7 Nguyễn Trãi, and the cost for the location per month is $6,500, and rental deposit for 4 months. Total we have to pay for $26,000, and this is a balance sheet. Total asset we have to invest about $63,700, and look at the table. You can see the cash, the rental deposit, and a thing to buy to start. And the next is a monthly working capital, and fixed cost is about $9,050. It's include rental, sample hand wash liquid, utility man, security staff, and this is a price and the value. Look at the table. We can see this is the percent of the room. If we have the book, we just have 7% of booking, and we will get on the revenue is 50,000. And next is about cash flow, and look at the table. You can see after operation 7 months, and from May 2015 to December 2015, the profit we can earn is $12,400.
Hello everyone, I'm talking about the VIO analysis. VIO is an analytical technique brilliant for the evaluation of the company's resource. And once you know your resource, you can better understand your competitive advantage or weakness. The value. You have to offer a resource that add value for customer. Then you're able to exploit an opportunity or neutralize competition with an internal capability. BEEHIVE use human capital management data to hire and retain innovative, productive employees. These employees consistently create flexibility to split work, to support each other as well as the teamwork. About rare, resource can only be acquired by one or very few companies are considered rare. Rare and valuable resource gains temporary competitive advantage. About the immutability, is it essential to duplicate your organization resource or capability? Is it difficult to find an equivalent substitute to complete with your offering? Affirm that valuable, rare, costly to imitate resource can achieve sustained competitive advantage. About the organization, does your company have organized management system, processes, structure, and culture to capitalize resource and capability? Apply to the BEEHIVE business. They are designed with the sustainability at the forefront, constructed using recycled, locally sourced materials and blended into the setting with no damage to flora and fauna. They generate their own electricity from the solar and dew on a lab lighting system. Use environmentally friendly material, especially using a single-use product with a paper cover. Bottles of shampoo and shower gel are made of ceramic. The solar water heater to reduce monthly fiscal. We are able to serve a long-term gas because we have a good location. The distance between our place to eat and place is very close. Pacific, 500 meters away from Bentham Market, 300 meters from BUSI backpack area. Facility of each room have a kitchen area for guests. They can make their own meal. In order to increase the prestige and service value that customer can receive, we have to also register business license and have a certificate of civilized and friendly business. Moreover, we supplier in terms of apartment facility. BEEHIVE always sign long-term contract to source goods can always meet promptly and sufficient quality.
Hello everyone, I will talking about the Gantt chart analysis about the BEEHIVE. This is the 7th step of the Gantt chart. It's about the planning concept and ideas, search for location, market research, search for supplier, buy equipment and decoration, training and recruitment. Finally, is the grand opening and promoting. About the planning concept and idea. Firstly, we are the reduce with 2 year experience working as a company with the goal of the owning a business. We together staff a service apartments, fixed organities and investment costs. About the rename BEEHIVE mean the different people with different personalities, but together make a dreams and to achieve the rest success. Besides, BEEHIVE so presented as a home for everybody
Do we refer a cozy place as a family by each apartment? Each apartment is designed as a characteristics for the family. Each apartment will out the revised play for the fit to the object and the purpose of a stay difference. About the statues in the search for location, time of search for location is about 2 weeks. Because the target location of BEEHIVE is tend to area near city centers. This location is located in the district 1 and around the area of Trường Hưng Đạo District. At the recent time, in the Trường Hưng Đạo District, no apartments would be like BEEHIVE. This is considered significant business advantage. Continuously in market research, BEEHIVE's customer focus on the foreign tourists and in the short term and the long term foreign tourists. The location near the citizens and the flight focus on a small foreign tourists will help BEEHIVE attract and accept the potential customer more easily. Duration of the across the market survey within the 2 weeks is about the tech file is the search supplier. The measures of the marriages of our apartment of BEEHIVE have fully furnished, so BEEHIVE focus on investment to customer approach. Supplier include the basic amenities and other decoration. Thermos search supplier relatively easily and take about 2 weeks to compare the cost and the quality. The tactic is about the buy equipment and decoration. Most of apartments of BEEHIVE are decorated paisley. However, to be consistent with the purpose of the business and customer taste, fitting way to decorate the apartments. Scott spend 3 weeks and complete the perfect apartment from basic whites to the decoration. About the recruitment and training, BEEHIVE managed directly from the owner, so managing activity easy. Then, however, the employees such as the reception or the housekeeping should be training in the systematic way and achieve a quality requirement. The training takes about 3 weeks to employ formally with the task and work more effectively. Finally, about the opening and promoting, advertising and marketing activity will be ongoing. When the staff is ready and working effectively, BEEHIVE promotes our business strategies to attract the customer with the best service experience for them. Continuously, we will talking about external environments. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Lung. I will present to tell three that apply to BEEHIVE. That's a best store analysis and Firefox Porter 54. About store analysis include political and economical, social, technological, environmental, and legal. So about political factor, state policy will have a positive and negative effect on BEEHIVE. The state encourage business to invest and develop the hotel industry. However, BEEHIVE might be adversely affected by business activity due to political conflicts because BEEHIVE mainly for foreign visitor. Economic factor. BEEHIVE pay attention to economic factor and government intervention to adjust price to suit the short-term and long-term economic markets. Social is built based on the specific cultural elements and characteristics of the customer to reach the furniture and architecture suitable to interparent of cultures. About technological factor. Technological is a hook influence on BEEHIVE. Customer contact us on our system are based on technology, software through internet. Thereby, it will reduce communication costs and improve the rate of work from giving to better profits of BEEHIVE. About environment factor, BEEHIVE bill is based on environmental friendly factor to make customer feel comfortable. Thereby, customer will use BEEHIVE service in a sustainable way. About legal factor, BEEHIVE always comes with legal regulations such as competition law, commercial law, and customer protection. In addition, BEEHIVE also has insurance and insurance for employee at the enterprise. So next, Porter 54 model. Porter 54 model is a model analysis and 5 elements that define very industry to determine its strength and weakness and analyze to competitive environment in which a product or company works. BEEHIVE apply Porter 54 to determine the intensity of competition in industry and the level of business. Profitability. In addition, BEEHIVE to determine the company strategy to seek profit and attractiveness of business. Potential engine behind this to focus on brand develop and control revenue and customer rate. Thereby, it will limit the potential competitor want to share markets in this industry. For example, BEEHIVE has developed brand in OTR channels to improve its competitive advantage compared to its competitor in the future. Buyer. We have this to ensure the price and quality of service to have a presentation of customer. For example, BEEHIVE always identifies the needs of customer to build the best service for customer. Subtitles. The alternative products of BEEHIVE are hotel, homestay, hostel. They are typical commodity products that satisfy family needs that directly affect BEEHIVE's business activities. For example, BEEHIVE always focus on the price factor and service quality to improve its commodity compared to replacement products. Next, suppliers. BEEHIVE is under pressure of price competition from suppliers because necessary supply from suppliers. For example, BEEHIVE finds supplier of cheap personal hygiene items that will improve to the competitive advantage compared to other brands, because BEEHIVE will set up a free personal item for customer, thereby bring a competitive advantage over brands. Next, industry competitor. BEEHIVE will compete directly with industry rival, leading to market share position in the market. For example, BEEHIVE has a competitor such as Chitana, Dasha Home, and Dagon House. These are enterprise with the market share in the big market.
Hello everyone, I will talking about the SWOT analysis of BEEHIVE. Firstly, SWOT is the strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities and the risks of BEEHIVE. Firstly, about the strengths, the managing team have enough experience, basic knowledge of the markets and high productivities, and the owner directly manage the whole apartment. Secondly, about the weaknesses, is not able to initiate in the market's activity in independent customer relationship that affect customer to the lookup tools. About the opportunities, cooperates with the short-term tools companies. And finally, in the rich is embracing competition because of the wide markets. And connection to the SWOT analysis is the tools that is the connections. Firstly, about the trends opportunities is the perform properly. About the trends and opportunities, perform robustly and according to the goals set out by our business. About the offer the appearance event for the partner to achieve the confidence. Is not professions, ability, experience, and knowledge to respond the corporate requires as well as appropriate with the markets. Secondly, in the weaknesses and opportunities, the cooperate with the tools company to improve and raise the risk awareness and reliability toward the customers. This will help the BEEHIVE improve our service and enhance the quality. About the trends and risks, we have the high competitions led to the difficult situation about the approaching customer. So the remote communication, the apartments will have to take out the advantage, and the building also implicates with the legal requirements regarding the safety standards. about the quality of the apartments and secures with the available service and support from the staff in the. And finally, this is sweetness and rich advanced skill for the staff, and the team of sales will be involved in the training skill to reach the customer and potential customer of that and develop the other potential markets. Continually, my team is talking about the 5 force strategic.
The next is Porter's generic competitive strategy. The generic strategy are approach to outperforming competitors in the industry. In some industry structure will mean that all firms can earn high return, whereas in others, success with one of the generic strategies may be necessary just to obtain acceptable return in an absolute sense. Apply to our company. We use cost leadership as the main strategy to attract customers. Specifically, with the concept of apartment and studio, we are still able to offer the similar quality to a deluxe room of a 3 to 4 star hotel. Moreover, renting a whole building with its briefness in long-term contract also has. We also have BEEHIVE reduce the cost. Another strategy in the future that we will try to apply to set out incentive for employees who get involved to low-cost activity.
Since BEEHIVE is a startup, so we will have a very simple marketing strategy. We will build a brand by designing a website and Facebook fan page to specialize in apartment service in Ho Chi Minh City. In addition, BEEHIVE also expand our brand by talking and interacting with people on Facebook so that we will become a stronger brand, and we will also upload photos and information of the apartment for customers to trust our service more, and they will understand more about our business. And in this case, we will use a very simple process to create our marketing strategy, which is identify potential customers, content, approach, feedback, consultant, and customers. We will identify by choosing Korean and Chinese people as our main customers, because they are having a very high demand of traveling to Vietnam recently, and our content will be very brief and short, but also. Okay, so thank you so much for listening to our strategy from our business startup, and thank you so much.